2015 Toyota Tundra SR5, really beautiful truck, lifted, got wheels, tires, all that good stuff. Whoa! What we got done on it, it's got factory converters, 4 of them, 2 there, 1 there, 1 there, so a total of 4. Then it comes through dual factory, and what we put on is a Black Widow, dual in, single out, right there. Added a sleeve to it to make it fit, existing tailpipe. There'll be a link in the description for the Black Widow. And then, a 5-inch black tip, because you know, why not? It looks better than the regular stock pipe. There's the muffler right there. You guys can see it's a dual in, single out. So you always want to get a dual in, single out muffler whenever you want to replace it with single, or dual in, dual out when you want to replace it with duals. That's what it looks like after Black Widow. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Got some giant speakers on it too. You don't want it too loud. That Black Widow gives it a nice deep tone. That's perfect. Sound decibels again. You hit 108 and it's the first track. Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter 5-horse V8. It's a shame Toyota went to 6-cylinder after these. There's no more V8s. That sounds really nice. I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside.